Hello friends! Is your engine running rough, losing power, or making a knocking sound? If your scanner shows P0326, it means there's an issue with your knock sensor, which plays a key role in protecting your engine from damage. Ignoring this can lead to reduced performance, poor fuel economy, and even costly repairs. In this video, we'll explain what P0326 means, symptoms, sensor location, and how to fix it. Let's begin. What is P0326? P0326 stands for Knock Sensor 1 Circuit Range Performance, Bank 1. This means the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, has detected an abnormal signal from the knock sensor, KS, on Bank 1. The knock sensor detects engine knocking, also known as pre-detonation, and sends signals to the PCM to adjust ignition timing. If the sensor isn't working properly, your engine could experience detonation, loss of power, and increased emissions. Common symptoms of P0326 include the check engine light being on engine knocking or pinging sounds, reduced acceleration and hesitation, rough idling and misfires, poor fuel economy, and possible overheating or engine damage. If this code is ignored for too long, it could lead to serious engine problems. Where should you check for issues related to the P0326 code? The knock sensor, or KS, is usually found in a few specific locations. First, the knock sensor on Bank 1 is typically mounted on the engine block, cylinder head, or intake manifold on the side where cylinder 1 is located. Next, you should inspect the wiring and connectors. The wiring harness leading to the knock sensor should be checked for any loose, damaged, or corroded connections. Lastly, if everything else seems fine, the Powertrain Control Module, or PCM, may need a software update or reprogramming. Here are some common causes of the P0326 code. First, a faulty knock sensor could be sending incorrect signals or no signal at all. Second, wiring issues such as broken or corroded wires can prevent proper signal transmission. Third, excessive carbon buildup inside the engine can create false knock signals. Fourth, using a lower octane fuel than recommended can increase engine knocking. Finally, if the PCM isn't processing signals correctly, it may need to be updated or replaced. So, how do you fix P0326? First, use an OBD2 scanner to check for additional related codes like P0325 or P0330. Next, locate and inspect the knock sensor for any visible damage or disconnection. Then, check the wiring harness and connectors for loose or corroded connections. After that, clean or replace the engine's carbon deposits if necessary. Also, use higher octane fuel if your vehicle requires it. If the issue persists, the PCM may need reprogramming or replacement. Finally, clear the codes and take a test drive to confirm the issue is resolved. A faulty knock sensor can cause poor performance, knocking sounds, and even long-term engine damage. Fixing P0326 will ensure smooth engine operation, better fuel economy, and increased longevity. Want to learn more about related issues? Watch these next videos. P0310, Cylinder 10, misfire detected, and P0311, Cylinder 11, misfire detected. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more expert car repair tips.